episode, I'm going to share with you how I make my orange chicken. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. For today's recipe, I am using skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and I had cut them into chunks. Now it's time to season our meat with seasoned salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now make sure that the meat is well coated with the seasoning. After the chicken is well coated with the seasoning, now add your cornstarch. Give that a mix. This is how it's looking afterwards. Now for the batter, whisk 1 egg. Add your water. Season with some black pepper, garlic powder, and seasoned salt. Add your flour and make sure that it is well combined. Keep adding your cold water until you have a loose batter. So this is how my batter is looking. As you can see, this is exactly what we're looking for. Now add it to the chicken. Give that a mix. Make sure all your chicken is coated with that batter. Now, over medium heat in a large skillet or a wok, add your oil. Now that the oil is nice and hot, go ahead and add your chicken. And we're going to cook this into 3 batches for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are golden brown. After they are nice and golden, go ahead and place them on a platter and continue cooking the rest of your chicken. While our chicken is frying, we're going to make our orange sauce by grating half an orange. Just a reminder, guys, when grating your orange, make sure you don't get the white part of the orange so your dish is not bitter. I like to use fresh oranges for this recipe because I find out that the flavor is so much better. Now pour your juice in here. Soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar. Now give that a mix until the sugar is fully dissolved. Last, add some cornstarch and give it a mix. After removing all your chicken, add your garlic and your ginger. And we're going to saute this for about a minute. After a minute, add your orange sauce. Now go ahead and bring this to a simmer. This is how our sauce is looking. After 8 minutes, it is nice and thick. So now go in with your chicken. Now allow this to simmer for 3 minutes, and this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my orange chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? Now we can get ready to enjoy this. That is the best. Seriously guys, go ahead and serve this with some white rice, fried rice, noodles, whatever your heart desires. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.